Hey, this is Sean at Bike Cycles. What we're going to show you today is how we cut custom spoke lengths. Bicycle wheels generally have two different spoke lengths, a drive and non-drive side. This is a front wheel. These hub flanges are the same size. So it's not always as easy as just buying a spoke for your bicycle. What we do is we measure the old spoke length. These are some of the old spokes that had broken for our customer. This is our fill wood spoke cutting machine. We actually have number 242 off the production line. So this machine's been tuned and honed over the years, and we really like it. But you set it to what spoke length you need. You lay it in there, and this machine cuts and threads the spoke all in one motion. So now this spoke is the proper length for us to put back in the customer's wheel. So then we go in and we look and lace it up. So that would go into that hole, and we put on his new spoke nipple and send him on his way. So if you have any spoke issues or wheel issues, be sure to come by and see us, and we'll take care of you. Thanks for watching.